Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to change country location to continent or region in X account. So currently about this account feature show user location, country location or continent or region location. If this feature show country location, then you can change country location to continent or region location. Now you see multiple option, and then you see setting and support, so click on it, and then you see again setting and privacy, so again click on it. So we are in setting and privacy, and then you see privacy and safety option, so again click on it. So we are in privacy and safety, and then you see option about your account, manage the location associated with your account, so click on it. Now you see about your account, you can choose to show region or country on your account information. Now you see use country. If other user or someone check about this account feature on my account, then my country region show. So we are going to change it to region or continent. Now we change. If other user or person check about this account feature for our account, then instead of country on that section, region or continent show, country not show. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.